Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. Today we talk about car detailing products. More importantly, I'm starting a brand new series called Brand Reviews. So on today's show, I'll be reviewing the complete lineup of high-end detailing products from a company called Angelwax. I've been detailing cars for over 20 years, and I got to try a lot of different car detailing products throughout the years. So for those of you who've seen my detailing videos, well, you can tell that I'm quite the detailing nut. Let's just say that over the years, I've purchased a lot of car detailing products. So I'm lucky enough to try a lot of products and choose the best ones. By the way guys, if it's not already done, take a second and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, so today I'll be talking about and testing a lot of the products of the Angelwax lineup. So if you're interested on finding out more about these high-end products, including their famous and brand new Enigma car wax, this is a $230 US pot of wax. Well, stay tuned and let's get the show started. Alright, so hey guys, I'm Pan, and today we're talking about Angelwax. So Angelwax is a company that's based in the United Kingdom. More specifically, it's in Scotland near the city of Glasgow. So back in 2009, three guys decided to start a high-end car detailing products company called Angelwax. So there's Matt, the marketing and brand design director, and there's John and Bob, two industrial chemists. So they set out with the intent to create the world's best car detailing waxes and products. They have over 30 years of experience in the chemical industry, so these guys know what they're talking about. By the way, all the Angelwax products are made by hand and tested in their laboratory. Their products are shipped globally, and I'll drop some links in the description down below if you guys want to check them out. Alright, so first we have Revelation. Revelation is a pH neutral iron remover for bodywork and wheels. So basically you spray this product onto your car's paint or your wheels, and when it reacts with the iron particles that are embedded in the clear coat, it turns to a red-purple tint to indicate that it's doing its job. The principle behind this product is that it reacts with the iron particles and makes them water soluble, so you simply spray on and rinse off. Next up, we have the Bilberry Wheel Cleaner, so it removes brake dust and traffic film. This product comes concentrated, so you can dilute it either 1 to 2 for heavy work or 1 to 10 for lighter work. This wheel cleaner does an awesome job, plus it smells great. Next up, we have Fast Foam. So this is essentially a snow foam to be used with a foam cannon, and it creates a layer or a blanket of sticky foam that clings onto the paint and helps lift and encapsulate the dirt for you to easily rinse it off, and this is part of the pre-wash stage. So the dilution ratio that's suggested by Angelwax is 1 to 9. You spray it onto your paint and you let it react for 10 minutes before rinsing. Again, an amazing and very effective snow foam, part of the pre-wash stage. So for the actual washing stage, we have the Angelwax shampoo. This is a highly concentrated pH neutral shampoo, and it's safe for any waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. Just 2 capfuls of this product into your bucket and it'll go a long way. It creates a lot of suds, it smells amazing, and creates a nice layer of lubricity onto your paint to make sure that your mitt is gliding effortlessly. This was a great automotive shampoo, I highly recommend it. Next up, we have a trio of compounds and polishes from Angelwax, the first one being the Heavy Cut compound. So this was designed to remove deep scratches from your paint like a traditional compound would. We then have Regenerate. This is a medium cut compound for lighter work. So this product is made to remove medium scratches and swirl marks out of your paint. Next we have Redemption. It's an ultra fine finishing polish. So this removes holograms, fine scratches, and will leave the paint nice and glossy before you add a layer of protection. Alright, so next we have Elixir. So this is an exterior vinyl, plastic, and rubber rejuvenator and protector. Super easy to use. You simply spray it onto the surface that you want to rejuvenate and protect, and that's it. It has the added benefit of creating a waterproof barrier on the surface on which it's applied, and personally I use it as a tire dressing. It is outstanding. Alright, so next up we have QED, which stands for Quick Exterior Detailer, and this product has won countless awards including the Auto Express Best Buy. So what this product basically does, and it does it quite well, is that it adds a layer of protection on top of existing wax coatings. So let's say, for example, that you applied a fresh coat of wax or a paint sealant, and the week after that or 2 weeks later you want to wash your car. Well, once you're done washing and drying, add a layer of this and it will give your car a freshly waxed appearance. Definitely one of the best quick exterior detailers out there. Alright, so another one of my favorites from their lineup, this is the Angelwax Vision. This is an automotive glass cleaner and it's amazing. It'll leave a streak-free finish, and trust me, it'll be one of the best glass cleaners you'll ever use. I was personally using the Stoner Invisible Glass, which is a premium, very high quality glass cleaner, but I can't say enough good things about this Vision glass cleaner. Super easy to apply, safe for tinted windows. You can even spray it on under direct sunlight. This is a very effective glass cleaner. It'll leave your glass streak-free and looking clean. Once you're done cleaning your glass, a cool product that they've designed is the Angelwax H2Go. This basically creates a hydrophobic coating on any glass surface, so basically it'll chase the water away when it's raining. To apply, you simply spray it onto the glass, spread it around in circles using an applicator pad, you let it dry for 10 minutes and then you simply buff it off. If you want the ultimate protection, add a second layer of this and you're good to go for months of water beating off your windshield. Alright, so for your leather seats, we have Heaven for Leather. Now this is an ultra safe, high quality leather cleaner. It's a gentle leather cleanser and conditioner. So it revitalizes, nourishes, and protects your car's leather interior. Super simple to use. You basically spray it onto the leather surface and you agitate the product with a dedicated leather brush. You then wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Alright, so once you're done cleaning your leather, you're going to use this product called Hydrate. So Hydrate moisturizes your leather and it protects it from the drying effects of the sun. So you basically spray it onto the leather and wipe off with a microfiber cloth. It leaves that amazing leather scent behind and super easy and amazing leather products. Alright, another one of their products is the Absolution. This is a carpet and upholstery cleaner, super easy to use. You simply spray onto the affected surface, you brush it off using a dedicated carpet and upholstery brush, and that's pretty much it. There is no rinsing necessary. It leaves a nice, freshly cleaned odor behind, and it's super effective at removing stains out of carpets or upholstery. Next up, we have Corona. This is basically a synthetic spray wax that can be used on any surface except the windshield. So paint, vinyl, plastics, rubber, you name it, you simply spray it on, wipe off with a microfiber cloth, and boom, you created a hydrophobic layer of protection onto that surface. Angelwax claims that Corona will give your car up to 6 months of protection. Alright, next up, we have an interior vinyl and plastic restorer. It's a form of a gel, so it's appropriately called Angel. So basically, Angel will help clean and protect your interior vinyl and plastics. Again, like all the Angelwax products, this is super simple to use and it smells amazing. You simply apply this onto a microfiber applicator pad, you wipe onto the surface, and you buff off the excess with a microfiber cloth. This will give you the fresh factory look without a greasy film residue. Alright, so now it's time to talk about what Angelwax are famously known for, and that's their waxes. Alright, so a small side story about the Angelwax waxes. John and Bob, the two company's industrial chemists, were approached by another company back in 2009 for them to brew a specific car wax. For some reason, that company never went to market with that car wax, but John and Bob, along with Matt, they were so proud of that product that they decided to start their own lineup. They knew they had created a special blend of wax, and they named it Angelwax. The company's motto is Heaven Sent, Wicked Finish. Alright, so first, let's start by mentioning that all their waxes are available in 2 size formats. So in a small 30 milliliter pot like this one, and the bigger 250 milliliter pots like this one. So if you want to try a sample before committing yourself to the bigger size, just get the 30 milliliter pots. Alright, so the first wax is the Angelwax Guardian High Endurance Detailing Wax. Now this is one of their most durable waxes and it's said to last up to 6 months. The next wax is Luminosity. It's a wax for matte painted or matte wrapped vehicles. They literally make waxes for any type of application. So the next one is the Dark Angel. They call this the double chocolate because it's a wax for black vehicles. Next up, we have AG. It's the world's first metallic wax, and it's a hard metallic silver detailing wax that enriches silver paintwork. Right, so you have Drift. It's a wax that's designed for white vehicles. They call this Vanilla Snow. Right, so this is one of their original waxes. It's called Desirable. It adds gloss and up to 5 months of durability. Then we have Bilberry. This is a wheel sealant. So it protects your wheels by creating a barrier on the surface of the wheel, and it prevents the buildup of brake dust and traffic film. So this makes cleaning your wheels a lot easier. And God, this bilberry smell is absolutely amazing. All right, so it all boils down to the final 2 waxes of this video, and these are the 2 best waxes that Angelwax creates. First one is the Fifth Element. It's a high endurance show wax. It's blended from a complex recipe of their 4 best waxes and a 5th secret ingredient, hence the name the Fifth Element. It lasts up to 4 months and can be used on top of ceramic coatings. It even comes with the seal. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. By the way, all the Angelwax waxes are super easy to use. Just simply dab a bit of the product onto a microfiber applicator pad and rub it onto your car's paint. After just a couple of minutes, it will dry up to a haze and you use a clean microfiber cloth to buff it off. So they all have easy on, easy off formulas. Of course, like any wax, top tip, never apply under direct sunlight, preferably in a garage or in a shaded area. Depending on where you live and where you buy it from, this wax costs up to 110 pounds or 140 US dollars. Is it worth that kind of money? Absolutely. This is definitely one of the best waxes I've ever tried. Finally, guys, we've made it to the final wax. Let me get closer for this one because I'm super excited. This is the Enigma wax. Now, this is their top of the line wax. It's their newest product that came out at the end of 2016. And essentially, it's a ceramic infused wax. Now, this Enigma wax adds tons of gloss to your car's paint, but it also adds water beading capabilities like none other. And like ceramic coatings, this wax also has self-cleaning capabilities, making cleaning the car a lot easier. Protection is crazy long. It's said to last up to 12 months, and I have no reason to doubt this, as it's been doing great for me. Angelwax chemists say that the complex ceramic molecules found in this wax will help create a tighter bond onto the surface. Those ceramic molecules will also help to fill microscopic pores and holes in the paintwork and create a smooth, level finish. This is the best of the best. The gloss levels are crazy. Durability is absolutely insane. And just have a look at this. It is absolutely gorgeous. This 250 milliliter pot costs 180 pounds or 230 US dollars. But it is absolutely worth every penny. Now, I'm quite used to high-end waxes, such as this wax from Swiss Wax, which is an amazing wax, and also this Pinnacle Sovereign Paste Wax, which is also amazing. But let me tell you, this Enigma wax is the best of the best. All right, so as you saw, I used the full lineup of Angelwax products to detail my own BMW 435i X-Drive Grand Coupe M Sport Edition. So let's go ahead and look at the final results. So as you were able to see, the results were absolutely amazing. The interior and the exterior are now better than new. So hats off to Matt, John, and Bob and all the team over at Angelwax. You guys did an awesome job. Again, if you want to check their products out, I'll make sure to include the links in the description down below. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If that's the case, smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you take a second and subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications button. That's that little bell icon in order to make sure that you always are aware when I upload a video to YouTube. So if you like detailing videos, make sure that you go and check out all the other ones on my channel. And also, I'm there to help you organize different aspects of your lives. So not only car detailing, but a bunch of other subjects. So check that out. If you liked my brand reviews series, this is the first one of many to come. Well, let me know in the comments down below. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.